Hey everyone, Steve here. And before I share this video on my Japan studio setup, I just want to reach out to everybody and say thank you to all the new subscribers to the channel and those that have been with me since the beginning. Appreciate everybody watching the videos and leaving the comments and questions. And if you have a question that I can't answer, I'll be more than happy to try and help find the correct answer for you. Be sure to stay to the end of the video where I'll be sharing some of my Japanese sightseeing tours that I've taken so far while I've been here in Japan. With that, let's get into the video. For those who've been following, as you can see, this is a much smaller space than what I had before. And this is all my stuff. So the first thing I have to do is get everything organized. And then once I get all the boxes kind of moved around and make some space, then I can actually move the big table into place and continue cleaning that off. It's just took a lot of time to kind of move things around and get that table put into place. And then after that, I can actually start on arms for the cameras and putting my mount for my computer into place. This monitor stand has worked out really well for me. This is the same one I used on the rolling camera setup in my previous studio. Now the next step is to set up the other table on the opposite side that will hold my other computer and monitor, along with the grinder and the ring saw. Let's take a look at that. I think I made pretty good progress today, and if you enjoy content like this, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Well, I think I'll call it a day and start back up tomorrow.
72 hours later.
Well, I didn't start the next day, but did start it 3 days later, but I did get some odds and end things done in between. Here I'm just go ahead and cleaning off the table because I need to get this residue from all the taping, get all that tape off of the table. So I'm gotta clean that up really well, and then get ready for my next project, which is going to put a protector underneath where the grinder and the ring saw is going. The first protector is one that's commonly used underneath gas stoves here in Japan. The second protector is a backsplash protector. As you know, grinders and the ring saws can splash out water everywhere. First protector I'm going to put down is the one that goes underneath the gas stove. This will help keep water off of the floor in case there's any spills or anything, because I'll be changing the grinder and ring saw out in that location. But I'm also going to go ahead and adhere it to the table so it doesn't move. And the second protector here is the backsplash protector, and that'll keep the water and glass dust mixture from flinging out onto the curtains and to the back wall. It just helps keep the area a little bit clean. Well, I think that turned out pretty good. It'll keep the area clean and water from spreading all over the place. Now on to the next project, the rolling carts. These types of carts are used because space is a minimum in Japan. So I was able to pick these up, and these will offer a lot of storage underneath the big table there. So I can put like my tools and my foil and a lot of my other chemicals and things of that sort. So we'll get these put together real quick and we'll move on to the final project. And with the magic of video editing, there is the second one completed. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the last project, which is updating my glass storage area. For this project, I'm going to just take the middle shelf and actually lower it down and then re-screw it in. This gives the area a lot more space at the top, so I can actually get the 12 by 12 sheets put in there. I like how that turned out. It gives me a little bit more storage for my glass while I'm here in Japan. Now, the reveal of the great new studio. I think it turned out pretty well for such a small space, and this studio will be good for me until I get back to the States. Now, if you enjoyed the content, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Wait, before you go, don't forget my little bonus video on my trip to Odawara Castle. Here it is.
Hey everyone, Steve here, and we are at Odawara Castle in Odawara, Japan. So hope you enjoy this small little bit of my little trip here.
Stay tuned for the next video coming up on your screen.